The dance floor was vacant, so I came to dance. Yes, Zimbabwe's long-lost opposition leader Nelson Chamisa is back in politics.
Possibly after 2 years, having left the dance floor, hoping that somebody else would occupy that dance floor. But I see there's none who has chosen to occupy the dance floor, and the dance floor is vacant. And I've seen it fit that I'm back on the floor to dance for my nation, to dance for the citizens, and to dance for the future.
So, comrade, you left the dance floor and then came back because there was nobody dancing, not because you've learned some new moves. You are bringing us the same old kwasa moves when all the youths have moved on to Amapiano. Chamisa announced his Agenda 2026 movement, which sounds like a dance routine that we've all seen before. No constitution, no elected leadership, no structures. Did you win that dance battle the last time, Chief? It sounds like the strategic ambiguity disaster all over again. Chamisa says he's building a citizens movement, which will likely be built around him rather than a big vision for a just and liberated Zimbabwe. Comrade, ZANU-PF has learned your wedding steps by now, and they will dance it better than you. At a time when the Defend the Constitution movement has been launched to fight against ruling party attempts to change the constitution, Chamisa didn't even mention the ED 2030 agenda once. Our comrade seems more focused on doing the elections dance rather than defending the constitution. As socialist leader Munyaradzi Gusai says, right now Zimbabweans are suffering from authoritarianism, corruption, and an anti-poor economy. And the ED 2030 agenda is a cross-cutting issue that can attract a united front of classes in defense of popular democracy. So I guess those yearning for change in our country have to decide. Do you do your same old slow dance with the beloved Nelson, or do you do your toy dance against the ED 2030 agenda to build the united democratic front against oppression, austerity, and looting by the Mbinga class? The dance floor is vacant, my comrades. Please, come and show us your moves.